outside on the weather patio, another crisp and cool morning for us, isn't it, Riley?
That's right. Did you say paddle?
I did. I was trying to get too many words out all at once.
On the weather paddle. Well, hey, we could call that a new name this morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. The big thing that we're going to notice today really are the temperatures. Yesterday we got to a high of 51 degrees. Today we're going to be slightly cooler than that. Let's go ahead and look at our satellite and radar. Just a few high clouds up to our north and west. So all in all, we're going to have a nice sunny day today. Here are our winds. Again, they're from the north and west. Remember, we've been dealing with a southerly flow. They switched to the north and west, so that northerly wind is going to keep us a little chilly today under that sunshine, though. Here are our temperatures, generally in the 20s for all of us, so we're not looking at any extreme temperatures in the single digits or the teens this morning. But you factor in the light winds that we do have, temperatures do feel like they're in the teens. So again, another morning to have those layers on, and that's going to be the trend. You might as well just know that we're going to have to keep the layers on. I mean, we're closing in at the end of November, getting into December, so it's about that time. I'll talk about our forecast, a couple systems that we're going to be watching coming in the next week, and I'll detail that coming up here within a few minutes, guys.
All right, we're looking forward to hearing more about it. Right. And Riley, the weather paddle is what we use if we don't like the forecast.
Oh, I didn't think about that. I don't want to get paddled.
Careful then.
All right.
Riley, thank you. In the past several months, the Sioux City School District has been at the center of a lot of heated debates. This morning, though, the board has set a date to resolve one of those.
That's where I'm at.
I did make a purchase on Black Friday, but it was for me, so.
Oh.
Does that count?
I know.
It was for us. It was for the family,
count. Yeah. Still to come, Siouxland High School volleyball highlights at our Sports Force Morning Wrap.
Is it bad to say that I had my shopping done around Halloween?
You're on the ball, Riley.
I get excited for Christmas.
You're good.
Good morning, Sioux City. Here's a live look at our Signal Hill sky cam, 26 degrees. You're going to notice that cool down today. The forecast coming right up.
Home for the holidays, and it's time to decorate. See the collection of seasonal decor displayed at Dell's Garden Center in Spencer, Iowa. Traditional Christmas colors and designer tones are found at Dell's. Add the spark.
Channel 4 is brought to you by Menards.
Good Tuesday morning, Siouxland. Here's a live look at our Signal Hill sky cam here at KTIV this morning. We're clear. Temperatures right at 26 degrees. We do have those winds from the northwest at 9 miles per hour, and that again is filtering in that cooler air. Well, let's go ahead and look at our almanac and let you know where we should be for this time of year. Average low should be around 18 degrees. Now, that's been our low so far this morning, the 26. Expect our temperatures to drop a few degrees within the next couple of hours. Yesterday, we started off very cold at 12 degrees, but look what we warmed up to, 51 with that sunshine yesterday. Don't think we're going to get that warm today. We're going to be closer to average around that 38 to 41 degree mark today. But look at the colder air in the upper Midwest. That cold front moved through yesterday, and you could really see the colder air moving in. 14 in Fargo, 17 in Bismarck, even 5 degrees in International Falls. A little bit warmer once you get down towards Des Moines and Kansas City and Dodge City, but again, Pierre 23. So we're looking at a cold start for us. Now, we're not looking at the single digits. However, temperatures in the 20s this morning. The warm spot came at 32 with a north wind between 10 and 15 miles per hour. Now, we could expect a few gusts near 20 in the eastern areas this morning. Now, you factor in the winds with those temperatures, and it feels much colder. So we definitely need those layers on as we head out. 12 degrees is your wind chill in Yankton. 21 in Denison. Definitely need the layers for you this morning in Estherville, feeling like 14 degrees. So we're going to see the sunshine today. It's going to be a nice day today, right around average. But we're going to see a bit of a warm-up tomorrow as our winds turn more southerly. We're going to start to see some clouds increase for our Wednesday as well, but a cold front's going to pass through. A little bit moisture is going to linger in behind that cold front. We could see a few isolated snow showers on Thursday. Not looking for any accumulations, but hey, if you love the snow, could get a chance to see a few of those snow showers. Let's look at the satellite and radar. Notice that we are mostly clear today. Just a few high clouds up to our north and west into South Dakota. The main area has been this upper level low that's been spinning about in the Ohio Valley, also in Tennessee. You'll notice the spin right about there. A lot of moisture being filtered in ahead of this, but we're getting that cold air wrapping around it. Parts of Tennessee picked up around 5 inches of snow overnight. It's rare for them this time of year. However, the Midwest is going to stay quiet as high pressure really dominates our area. Now, that's going to push towards the east. Again, we're going to have a northerly flow today with a good amount of sunshine. We are are going to notice our winds switch to more of a southerly direction tonight. You can follow your timeline here. By tomorrow morning, we're going to wake up with a mostly sunny day. With that southerly flow, we're going to get into the lower 50s for tomorrow. But this cold front will start to advance our direction. It will become breezy on Thursday as well, and the chance of snow showers will linger in behind that Thursday afternoon. Now, again, we're not looking at any accumulations with this, but it is going to be a cloudy day and a breezy day. We can see winds gusting to around 35 miles per hour on Thursday, so that's going to make it feel much colder. 41 for that high with a north wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. Our sunset at 4:55 tonight. Down to 15. Again, it's going to still be in the teens, but that southerly breeze is going to help warm us up for tomorrow at 52 degrees. A bit of a breeze in the afternoon. We could have a few gusts near 30. However, the cold stuff's going to really come in on Thursday with a chance of an isolated snow shower. Now, this system on the weekend we're going to have to watch. Saturday, chance of an isolated snow shower or two. One model really brings in a good amount of possible snow in the forecast area. Another one keeps us dry. So if you are planning to travel over the weekend, you want to definitely stay tuned because there's a possibility that we could get some plowable snow in the area. But then again, another model has us dry. So it's really wishy-washy now. So this is something that you're going to have to watch.
Remains to be seen, but we've delayed it about as long as we can.
Do you see Christy's face? I don't think she looks happy right now.
I'm looking at that 27, and I know I looked at your extended
right.
forecast this morning, and there were a lot of 20s after that 27.
That cold blast is really going to come in over the weekend into the beginning of next week, it looks like.
I never like it when it starts to only be in the 20s.
Yeah.
That's cold.
I know, but you know, it's almost December, so we've really been lucky. So,
we have.
you know, if you don't like the cold weather and the snow, I know there are the fans of that
It could be February when we saw the first 20, and I'd still have that look on my face. I just don't like the idea of
I'm not looking for those -40 wind chills.
No, those are
that's cold.
Oh, well, we'll deal with it.
Riley just wants to get the sled going.
I know.
I'm
You know,
ready.
a lot of people say if it's going to be this cold, might as well have snow. So.
That's how I feel about it.
Yeah, all right.
Thanks, Riley.